Hi guys, today I've got an easy 2-minute curly bun hairstyle for you. To start, we're going to put the hair into a mid-height ponytail about top of ear height. Then divide that ponytail in half and we're going to leave out a little bit of hair on the right hand side and then cross the sections over each other. And again, we're going to take out a little bit of hair from the right hand side, let it hang down and cross the sections over each other. So we're just going to keep twisting the hair, taking out a section each time we twist it over until we reach the bottom of the hair. Then we're just going to secure it with a clear elastic band. Next, apply some dry texture spray all over your twist. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And all I'm going to do is take that twist, wrap it around the base of the ponytail, tucking the ends underneath. Then just secure all the way around the outside of that bun with as many bobby pins as needed. Use your fingers to pinch and pull at that bun to increase volume and texture. And if any of the curls are looking a little bit too long, you can just pin these where you like them. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.